Hello guys, I just got the We the People Trust 2011. It's sick. It's 20-inch top tube, which is really nice. Has salt plus stem, salt plus I think they're salt plus bars, something like that. We the People bars, something like that. We the People seat, okay. Salt plus cranks and bottom bracket, salt plus pretty much almost everything is salt plus except for the rims. They're E-clat and pegs on these are E-clat twist sugar PC pedals, and I got the E-clat clear brake pads. Yeah, pretty nice. Anyway, I'm not gonna be riding them very much, so I don't care. E-clat tripping rims, both. It's orange. It's the sweet kind. I'm gonna let you hear what the hub sounds like. This is the process. Yeah, I just dropped my like $500 bike. And that's it. That's my bike. Rate it.